and returning officers under Section 50 and 51 of the Elections Act for the general elections. Moreover, it may kindly be declared that in general elections cannot be conducted in fair, transparent, free and impartial, independent manner in presence of DROs and ROs from the executive branch of the state.
कभी भी चैलेंज कर सकते थे पहले भी.
It has been there for the 6 years.
जब ROs अपॉइंट हो गए तो उनको सब याद है.
We are at the verge of issuing the.
ये एक सेकंड, ये लॉ कब बना है?
2017, my lord.
Last
6 years.
Last elections कब हुए?
2018.
On the basis of this section 50 and 51, they were
Last election में जो DROs थे वो
judicial officers थे. This was the first time.
नहीं, judicial officer तो नहीं थे.
The judicial officers थे. जो DROs है, district returning officers है, वो तो district judicial officers थे. Returning officers भी judicial उससे लिए थे. AROs जो है, it was a mix from.
But ये आप हम पे जबरदस्ती तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसमें लिखा है from the judiciary, subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. So how can somebody impose it? Suppose even you write to the Chief Justice, then it's his discretion whether he wants to spare a judicial officer or officers or not.
Yes, in fact, what we did was, we did write to all the 5 honorable Chief Justices of the High Courts, different letters.
Are they on record?
They are on the record.
दिखाएं.
कब लिखा आपने बताइए?
The first one is the Lahore High Court. It's at page 208. Letter was dated 1st of February 2023, in February, my lord. And there was a clear regret.
Where is it?
Where is the regret?
It's at page 208. There are 2 letters of